Hello everyone, welcome back to the KidsGuard channel. Today, we will show you 4 proven ways to bypass age restriction on YouTube. Let's dive right in. Go to your YouTube app, tap your profile picture, go to settings greater than general, and turn off restricted mode. That's it. iPhone users can do the same. Open YouTube, go to settings greater than general, and disable restricted mode. Another trick is to add NSFW before YouTube in the URL. For example, change youtube.com to nsfwyoutube.com. Use a trusted proxy site to access YouTube anonymously and bypass restrictions. Install TamperMonkey and add a bypass script from sites like GreasyFork. It works in the background. As you can see, YouTube's age restrictions are easy to bypass. So if you're a parent, consider using KidsGuard Pro to gain full control over your child's YouTube activity. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you found this video helpful.